Hey guys, JDS Fragmaster here, and please watch this vlog. This is gonna be very important. So first of all, I'm going to be doing a giveaway on these 3 games. First game, Paintball 2. It's okay. Play it once in a while. Pretty fun. Next game, really fun. Just don't play it anymore, but it is really fun. Sniper Ghost Warrior 2. There you go. Wait. Oh no, not 2. 1. Sorry. And then this game, really fun. And I mean really fun. It's made by the same people who made Call of Duty. Soldier of Fortune Payback. Really fun. So yeah, I'll give those 3 games away. So if you want them, if you want one of them, you have to subscribe. So yeah, subscribe. And then also, I'm going to be doing some Minecraft. I'm going to be making a new, not a new channel, but I'm going to start a new series, and it will be Minecraft. But we will go back to Call of Duty. If you want me to quit Minecraft and go back to Call of Duty, just comment. But yeah, I'm gonna be playing some Minecraft. So subscribe, like, comment, and enjoy this next series. If you want one of those 3 games, subscribe. Peace.